Alright, what's up, card family? Back here with Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 17. This would be the May 2020 version. I've been holding on to this for a little while. It's like that shiny thing you've been waiting for. But once I open it, it's gone, and poof, just like that. So I kind of savor it, stare at it, watch other people's videos, see what they're pulling. I see some crazy stuff pulled out of here. Here we go, here's the lineup. Last night he had a few available and they were gone in 10 minutes. Maybe on the 15th you can get lucky. I hear the next volume is going to be pretty sick. Alright, I got the list right here. Let's get into it. Fernando Mania on top. This stuff is so exciting. It makes me shake when I open it. Alright. Let's just go on down the line here. Push this in the back. Alright, first up, 81 Fleer. Looking for Harold freaking Baines and Fernando Mania, which I do believe is spelled wrong on the card. I know there's an error version. I don't know if it's on all of them, but I think it's on all of them. Gums destroyed. Got some gunpowder on here. Gotta love it. I'm old school, so this stuff is awesome. I love the way it feels, the way it smells. It's all dusty and crusty like me. All right, here we go. Look at that picture. This is serious. All right, George Orta, Greg Pryor, Reggie Cleveland, Butch Waniger, Tom Seaver. That's a little miscut and diagonal. Ken Forsch, that's a name I recognize. Come on. Oh, Raleigh Fingers, that's pretty clean looking. It's a little miscut on the top too. Man, look at that thing. 1980s. Oh, look at that. Fernando Mania. Look at how miscut that thing is. Corners are sharp. It would be centered if it was cut right on the top and the bottom, but I'll take it. All right, so quick story about this card. When I was a kid, I pulled this card. I had this card, and it was miscut in a different way than this. It wasn't like a trapezoid like this one, but it was left to right or something. So I tried to cut the border out, and I cried because I ruined the card, and it was so sad. All right, let's take another look. Let's take a look at this card right here. What do we got here? Yeah, it's miscut, but that's okay. That's beautiful. It's Fernando. Go Dodgers forever. Let me just show you what I mean by go Dodgers forever. Look, just look at my wall real quick. Oh yeah, Dodgers for life, baby. All right, back to the action. All right, Greg Mint was the last one. Man, they're all miscut horribly. That's all right. We're old school. We don't need it to be perfect. We don't need it to be Jim Mint. All right, 91 Upper Deck. It feels kind of loose in here. Looking for that Jordan short print, Chipper Jones, and the Moose. I've seen cards out here with water damage. I've seen some blow away in the wind. I've seen some stuck together. Let's see what happens here. That's what happens when you get old cases from the basement. All right, we're looking for Larry Chipper Jones and Michael Jeffrey Jordan. I had to think about that for a second. I don't know why. Oh, Barry Bye-Bye Bonds. Greg Vaughn, another one of those guys that was supposed to be somebody. Wally Joyner, Wally World. John Kruk. Howard Johnson sticker. All right, is this where the hits are? Oh, Frank Thomas, big hurt. Is that second year? Yep. Nonetheless, still sweet. Let's see, Paul Abbott, Brady Anderson, Carlos Martinez, and Jimmy Key. All right, so we didn't hit the big one in that one. We're saving it. Next up, 2010 Topps Chrome. Looking for Big Mike Stanton, Strasburg. We're looking for Carlos Santana, Josh Donaldson, and Alex Burnett. I feel something in here. What is this? It's numbered. It looks like the Flying Hawaiian Shane Victorino, numbered out of 999. And Lyle Overbay. Oh, that's pretty cool for the Phillies. That's pretty cool. Nice. Put this up here. Numbered hit. Not too bad. Next up, 15 Bowman Draft. Looks like I'm looking for Walker Buehler, obviously, here. Kyle Tucker, Ben Tendi, Brendan Rodgers, Austin Riley, Mike Soroka. Autos, of course, numbered cards. Willie Adames on the back. All right, oh, these are tough to read. All right, DJ Stewart, Tyler Nevin, Carson Sands, Chrome Refractor, not numbered. Trey Supak, David Dahl, Julio Urias, Willie Adames. All right, so nothing in there. Next up, oh, we got 2017 update. Last month I pulled some fire out of here. See if we can do it again. Looking for Bellinger, Aaron Judge, Matt Chapman, Moncada, Bregman, Luke Voigt's in here. I would like to find Bellinger, of course. All right, Brock Stassi. Oh, wrong Dodger. Jake Lamb. I'll check these just in case there's an advanced stat or something. That doesn't look like it's a color of any sort. Nope. Edwin Diaz, rookie, 1987 Topps design. Santana, pretty cool card. Nice picture there. There's a Bellinger All-Star. So that's the one I didn't pull last time. So we'll put that up there. No logo, but nonetheless, it's Belly. Next up, 18 Chrome. Looking for Acuna, Glaber Day, Shohei, Rafael Devers, Buehler's in here. And I guess we got a chance to pull autos of those guys. I got a Soto auto. I don't have an Acuna one. I don't have a Walker Buehler one yet either. That would be pretty cool to pull one of those. We got some color in there. It looks like we got an orange of some sort in here. Thickie. Oh, yeah, we got a Thickie in here. We got an orange auto in here. Oh, can we pull some fire out of this thing? All right, we got Tyler O'Neill. Was that an insert? Oh, Scott Kingery, orange auto. We got a Miggy Cabrera and Elvis Andrews. Whoa, I wasn't expecting some kind of heat. What the? Number to 25. 2 of 25, Scott Kingery. Orange auto. Let me sleeve this thing up real quick. That's pretty sick. Got a thick, extra thick sleeve here. Put this thing in the top loader. Let's see if we can get this thing in this top loader. Just all right. I'm gonna put this over here in front of the Flying Hawaiian. Scott Kingery. All right, let's do this. Whoa, timber. That's okay. That's okay. Got me shaking here. Got the orange auto. That's insane. Let's just put that right there. All right, that's better. Got me shaking. Whoa, that was some fire right there. It's not the huge name you're looking for, but at least it's not a pitcher or a bum. All right, so we got 18 Heritage high number here. We're looking for Acuna. Let's see here. Make sure I don't misspeak here because some of these guys are missing out of some of these. Oh yeah, Soto's in here, but he doesn't have a variation. You got Glaber, Shohei, Austin Meadows. Any kind of variation, chrome, any kind of... It's always cool. I'm a sucker for image variations. All right, Thomas Nido, Tomas, Denard Span, Jorge Soler, Freddie Peralta. We got the insert, Mookie Betts. Will he ever play as a Dodger? Well, I guess we'll find out. And Logan Morrison, so nothing happening in there. Let's just check the back real quick. No variation, because we got the insert. All right. Next up, I'm pretty sure everybody knows what this is. We're looking for Bat Down. I do believe there's another variation in here of some sort. And Shohei's in here, and Glaber's got a short print. I think Bellinger's got a second year short print in here, maybe too. I don't know. I'd like to find out by pulling it, that's for sure. All right, first up, Sean Newcomb, Alex Mejia, Chris O'Grady, Daniel Descalso, Nomar. If we're gonna get something juicy, I think it'd be the next card. Nomar. Nope. Walker D. Gordon, Lance McCullers, Victor Martinez, and a filler card. All right, so no Bat Down. We got about a 1 in, I don't know, 7,000 pack odd. I don't know what it was, but something ridiculous. All right, well, let's find the regular Acuna. Let's find the regular Acuna. We got variations in here too. All right, let's pull a variation out of here. Something sticking out here. All right. Fulton Avitz. Hernandez. Ozzy Albies, not too bad. The All-Star version. Joe Musgrove. Different Scott Kingery. Guess I'll just set this here with this one. Oh, whoa, there we go. Giancarlo Stanton, foil. Kind of snuck up on me. That's kind of cool. That's not too bad. I know a few Yankee fans. Teddy Ballgame. Funky Muncie. And that's about it. Guess I'll check these later, see if there's any kind of variation or one of those stat cards. I don't think I've ever pulled one of those. Next up, 2019 minor league. Looking for Wander Franco, Lewis Robert, Yordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, a bunch of other people. Nothing thick in here. All right, Royce Lewis, Dylan Cease. Nobody I really know. All right, next up, 2019 update. We are looking for Vlad Guerrero, Carter Kieboom, Keston Hira, Austin Riley, Nick Senzel, Luis Arias. I'm looking for Will Smith. Will Smith. Timber. Fernando just does not want to stay in the bullpen over here. He's ready to go. We got Acuna on the back. All right, Garcia. We got Mr. Clown Question, bro. Freddie Freeman, I think, right there. Chris Paddock. Chris Paddock's pretty good. Oh, there we go. Vlad Guerrero right behind it. Nice. Nice and clean. Got this guy. Victor Robles. 84 Topps design. Wilmer Flores. Avila. David Dahl. And then we got the Acuna with the OxyClean behind it. It's a cool card. All right, last up. 2020 Topps Series 1. I'm looking for Gavin Lux. Yordan Alvarez. And Bo Bichette. I got stacks of these guys. I've opened a ton of this product because there hasn't been anything else. We're looking for variations here. We're looking for gold. We're looking for black. We're looking for rainbow. Anthony K. We got Verdugo. No longer a Dodger. We still love him. Senzel. Go. What's in the middle? We got Chris Bryant from my high school. Bonanza High School in Las Vegas. Gurriel. And Michael Baez. So, well, it wasn't a total loss. We pulled lots of good stuff here. Got the Bellinger, All-Star rookie, Fernando rookie. Over here we got Vlad Guerrero Jr. rookie, Chris Paddock, and we got the Giancarlo Stanton rainbow foil. Got the Tyler O'Neill too. But the big one here, Topps Chrome Scott Kingery rookie, auto 2 of 25. That's pretty sick. So, all right, volume 17 in the books. Stay safe out there. Keep collecting if you can. Peace.